Welcome to part 2 of working with the VI editor. So I'll create a new file and call it test file again. Here I'll type I and get into the insert mode. I'll type line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. I'll hit escape, colon WQ exclamation mark to save my file. And let's go back into the VI and open up our file again. So if I want to add another line and call it line 6, it will take me time to use my arrow keys to go down and go towards the end of the file, add a new line. The quick ways or quick shortcuts in VI that you can use. So if I want to go to the end of the file, I can press my Shift key and the G key. Shift and G will take me to the end of the file. Once I get to the end of the file, I can press Shift and A, the alphabet A. This will take me to the end of the last line. So this will bring me to this point here, right around 5. Once I get to this point, I can press Enter, and this will take me to a new line, which will be the last line of the file now. So let me show you. So if I press Shift and G, this took me to the end of the file. If I press Shift and A, it will take me next to number 5 in the end of the file. Now I can press Enter, and it will bring me to the bottom of the file where I can type in a new line. So let's say if I can type in line 6. I'll press Escape, colon, WQ exclamation mark, and this will save the changes. So let's go back by hitting the up arrow and open the same file again. I see that I do have my line 6 that I saved previously. So that's how you quickly go from top to the bottom of the file and to the last character of your file. So Shift G to come to the bottom, Shift A to go to the end, and press Enter for a new line. So one more thing that I can show you, if you are searching for something in this file, I only have line 1 through 6 here. This file, or this could be multiple pages long. If you're working on a script, if you're working on a document, this could be a couple of pages long. And if you need to search for a specific word in a file, how would you do that? So the quick and easy way in VI is by typing the / key. So if I type the / key, if I press the / key on my keyboard, that will open up the search prompt in VI. So let me type in /, and this is giving me the option to search for anything that I would like. So let's say I want to go, or I'm looking for the number 4 in this file. I'll type in 4 and press Enter, and this will go straight to number 4 because that's the only number 4 listed in this file. If there were multiple number 4s listed in this file, I can press Enter a few times and it will show me for the next character in the file that has number 4 listed in it. So that's how you search in VI. So to recap, if I want to remove one character at a time, I can press the X key and this will remove one character at a time. If I need to get rid of the entire line, I'll press D twice on the keyboard and this will get rid of the entire line. I'm not going to save the changes that I've made to this file because I want to show you 2 more commands. So I'll press colon, Q, and exclamation mark. This won't save any changes to the file. If I type cat to view my file, I can see line 1 through 6 are still there. So the next command that I want to show you is you need to locate the pipe key on your keyboard. On my keyboard, it's right above the \. If I press Shift and \, I get to generate the pipe key. So we're going to use the pipe key and also the grep command. Let's say I only want to see line number 3 from my file. That's the only line that I'm interested in. So I will type cat test file. I will run pipe. So what pipe is going to do, if I don't run pipe and if I just run this command the way it is, this will show me the entire file from top to bottom. But I'm going to use the pipe key to stop the output. So I'm telling the system that once you run cat and you open the file, don't show me the output of the file just yet, because I'm blocking the output by the pipe key. And I'm going to tell it that I'm only want to grep. So that I only want to grep any line that has number 3 listed in it. If I press enter now, this shows me that there's one line that has number 3 listed in it. I can run this command again and I can say I'm looking for number 6 in this file. This time it's going to grep only number 6 from the file. So that's how we use the pipe and the grep command. And you can use it anywhere else as well. You can use it if you're running ls-l output. And if you think the output is too long, you can pipe it, grep, and let's say I want to see if the current directory that I'm in, if it has a file called test. If I press enter, this returned an output and it's showing me that there is a file called test file. So we can use this pipe grep command anywhere we like. I'm going to clear the page out for now. Two more commands that I want to show you quickly. So I will do cat on test file again, and I will run pipe because I want to stop the output. I will type in head and I will say -3. So pipe, as we know it now, it blocks the output from the previous command, so it won't display anything until I give it the next command, which is head -3. What the command head does is it will show you from top to bottom. So I'm asking the head command to show me the top 3 lines in the test file. If I give it number 2, so now I'm asking it to show me the top 2 lines in the file. If I press enter now, this is only showing me line 1 and line 2. It's not showing me line 3, 4, 5, and 6 because head will go from top to bottom of the file. Let's say I want to see the file from bottom to top. I can use the tail command, and I'm going to ask it to show me only one line from the bottom, which would be the last line. So cat test file will show the entire file. Pipe is going to block that output, and tail will only show me the one last line. If I press enter now, I should see line 6 because that's the last line of our file. So you could use the tail and the head command without even typing the cat command first. So let's say if I want to do the same, I will type in tail -1 and test file. I want to see the last line of my test file. This will show me the last line of the file, which is line number 6. I can use the head command and type head -1 test file. This will show me the top first line from this file. Okay, now let's move over to the next command. So you could also view a file with the more command. Type in more, file name, and this will show you the entire contents of the file. So the beauty about using the more command is that this will allow you to view the file page by page by page. Since this test file is a little small in size, but if you were looking at a large file, More will allow you to look at it page by page, and you could also press enter to go down line by line. So this is it for this video. I will see you in the next. Thank you so much for stopping by.